Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix YouTube error code 4. Now we need to know that there are several ways in order to fix this issue, and one of them is to simply go and open your Chrome and disable all the extensions. So now I will go just open the extensions menu. I'm going to click on these three dots on the top right side, then go and click on extensions, then go manage extensions. Now you'll have to turn these off. So turn all of these extensions off, just like so, toggle them off, and try to see if the YouTube video can be displayed or not. So I'm gonna search for any video on YouTube, for example, just for the demonstration. Okay, I will go and click on elephant, for example. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now the video has been actually working well. That was method number one. Method number two is to simply go and click on the three lines or three dots on the top right side, then go to settings. And now we're going to remove or delete the cookies of YouTube. So I'm going to click on privacy and security, then go click on third party cookies. Then I want you to go to see all site data and permissions. Then you should search here for YouTube, just like so. Then delete this option right here, delete it, just like so. And now we are all done. So now we have deleted the cookies from YouTube. Now I can go and open any video on YouTube. Let's say that I will search for tiger, for example. Okay, it's working well. That was the method number two. Method number three is to simply try to open the video incognito app, incognito window tab, or simply choose another browser. So here I was using Google Chrome. Now I will use Brave. Okay, you can use Microsoft Edge. You can use whatever browser that you actually want, and you can take the link of the video or the link of the YouTube videos and paste it right here, and you're all done. And now I have shown you three different methods to solve this problem. Please support us with like, drop a good comment down below because this make my day, and thank you for watching.